Okay, the children looked and looked. Now, looked is the past form of look, to see something. The children looked and looked. They could not find the ball. Find, to find or milna, dekhna. They could not find the ball. Buddy snuggled up to David and mewed. Snuggled is the past form of snuggle, means settle or comfortable position. And mewed is the past form of mew, means make a characteristic high pitched crying noise to make a sound. Mew. This is actually the sound of cat. The cat mews. The ball is gone, buddy, said David. He went home sad. When the cat mewed, David again said to his buddy that was really a cat, because every child called the cat buddy. So David said to his friend cat that the ball has gone. He went home sad. Sad is an adjective. David was very sad because he could not find the ball anywhere. जब बच्चे खेल रहे थे और डेविड ने बॉल को बहुत हार्डली पुश किया और उसके बाद जो थे बॉल वो कहीं खो गई, दे कुड नॉट फाइंड इट, दे कुड नॉट सर्च द बॉल, सो दैट द बॉय वॉज वेरी सैड एट दैट टाइम एंड ही केम बैक होम. ओके, understand everyone? Okay, good. Back home, David sat at his desk to study. When he came back home, he sat on his study table very sadly because he lost his ball. But all he could think about was his ball. At that time, he was just thinking about his ball. Now, in this paragraph, you can find the word again, home, as a noun, desk, another new word for you, it's also a noun, and then you can find a verb, it is study and think. Study is a verb, that is an action word. Study means to read something. Think, it is also a verb, the action of the boy, because the boy was thinking about his ball. Suddenly, at once, accidentally, suddenly, at once, rapidly, बहुत तेज़ी के साथ, फ़ौरन ही. He heard his mother, look, who's here, David? Now the mother is saying, who's here, David? The mother is calling the boy David. अचानक ही मदर जो है वो डेविड को बुलाती हैं और कहती हैं, देखें कौन है. It was Buddy. He had the ball in his paws. Paws means an animal foot having claws and pads. Paws पंजे होते हैं, एक एनिमल फुट होते हैं having claws and pads, and was rolling around with it. So when the boy was sitting on his study table, he was just thinking about his ball. David जो है just अपनी बॉल के बारे में सोच रहा होता है, and the mother suddenly said him to see. मदर उसको कहती हैं अचानक कि देखें क्या है, तो he was surprised to see that it was Buddy. It was his friend. ये उसकी वही दोस्त, वो कैट होती है, to whom he has given biscuits and piece of slice and some milk. So the cat brought the ball and started rolling to with the ball. मीन्स जो कैट है वो बॉल ढूंढ कर ले आती है अपने फ्रेंड के लिए और वो उसके साथ खेल रही होती है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ इन दिस पैराग्राफ यू हैव सम न्यू वर्ड्स, दैट इज हर्ड. दिस इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ हियर, सुनना, टू लिसन समथिंग. Okay, then you have read about the word paws. Paws means an animal foot. This is a noun. Rolling around, rolling is a verb that that is the action of the cat. Okay, getting everyone? Your today's task is to read out the story very carefully again and again, and then find out some noun, verb and adjectives from this story. Okay, thank you everyone.